Welcome to Tiza Karaoke. Please subscribe down below on my channel and may God bless you. Today we are going to study about what are the best cost-effective and aging technique. What are the best cost-effective and aging technique? ZD, lack of sleep is the culprit related issues. At the best of all, it's free. Lack of sleep is the culprit behind aging and many other healthy related issues. At the best of all, it's free. Number 2, fasting. According to Harvard aging researcher Dr. David Sinclair, intermittent fasting is a very effective way of slowing the aging process because in the fasted state, the body has a chance to repair cells. Fasting, according to a Harvard aging researcher David Sinclair, intermittent fasting is a very effective way of slowing the aging process because in fasted state, the body has chance to repair cells. Number 3, sauna. Regular heating the sauna is an incredible cost-effective and aging strategy, especially considering that a regular schedule of sauna 3 times a week has shown to reduce all cases mortality by 42%. Yes, sauna. Number 4, cold shower. Just as hot has many positive anti-aging properties, so has getting cold. Short but intensive exposure to cold temperature increases blood flow and releases a cocktail of hormones that essentially keep your cells young and vibrant. Yes, cold shower. That is cold shower. Number 5, resistant training. Get your swell on growing muscle and getting stronger will protect you against many forms of cancer, prevent stroke, and increase your quality of life. Muscle mass is correlated to longevity and healthy up to a point. Yes, resistance training. Number 6, cardio or endurance training. Cardio or endurance training. Going for a run or doing bypass in your living room is free. Plus, a healthy cardiovascular system is shown to prevent all kinds of cancer from an even mental health issues. That is cardio. Number 7, regular stress levels. Regulating stress levels. Meditation, breathing techniques, mental reframe, oral free, oral extremely potent anti-aging and life quality enhancers. Why is it not taught in school? Number 8, eating more vegetables and less sugar. You have got to spend money on food anyway. Why not buy more veggies instead of candy bars? Bonus tips: find it hard to cook and prepare healthy meal. Get a blender and make yourself smoothie. Blender the veggies together with the tasty fruits. Yes. Number 9, eat less meat and animal protein. Again, according to age researcher Dr. David Sinclair and Dr. Walter Longo, excessive animal protein has shown to upregulate a hormone called IGF-I, insulin-like growth factor. IGF is not bad pass, as it also helps growth and maintain muscles. The problem is that high level of IGF might be responsible for cancer cell growth. Yes, high level of IGF might be responsible for cancer cell growth. Number 10, staying hydrated. Keep your skin super. Number 11, not being broke. not being broke. Always, money has no direct correlation to do with the physical aspect of aging. Money definitely play a role in psychological well-being. No money by itself doesn't make you happy, but as I tell you firsthand, a lack of money causes extreme worry, anxiety, and the other mental health impairment causing by worry have a measurable and researched impact on health makers. So save your money and invest it intelligently. So save your money and invest it intelligently so that you don't have to spend all of it to get your health back in your soul. To get your health back in your 50s and 60s. Number 12. Eat the right kind of fat. Eat the right kind of fat. Eat the wrong type of fat increase your risk of cardiovascular diseases, dementia and cancer. Reduce omega-6 fatty acid intake. Increase your consumption of omega-3 fatty acid. Reduce omega-6 fatty acid intake and increase your consumption of omega-3 fatty acid. Please subscribe down below on my channel and you are able to learn a lot. Today we have talked about what are the best cost-effective and aging techniques. What are the best cost-effective and aging techniques? Bye.